everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps and back to the soap studio. Thank you so much for giving me some grace with those intros and outros at the beginning of this month. It means the world to me, and now we're back in my soap studio where we belong. Also, this makeup was a choice. It was a choice. I doubt we will make this choice again. But listen, I was gifted, just on a little rabbit trail here, this box of like all these different glittery eyeshadows and stuff from the Hard Candy brand. And when I tell you that I was just so shocked they even know who I am or that I ever got on a PR list, because I used Hard Candy religiously in high school. It's available at Walmart in the United States, so it's readily accessible and very affordable to everyone. So I honestly was just so honored and fangirling a little bit, but they sent me these cool eyeshadows, and if they're available, I will leave them down below. I don't know if they're like technically released yet, but if they are, I'll link them, or you can go find them in Walmart stores. Today's tiny thing theme, is that a tongue twister? Sounds like it, is marbles, because nothing is so deliciously tiny and just so adorable. Have you ever seen the acorns? I'll put a picture here. The picture of an acorn with a marble. So it's an acorn top, a marble bottom, and it's so cute. And also a snail. People will craft a little snail out of polymer clay and make the shell a marble. Like, everything about marbles is great. If you've ever played the game Mancala or Mancala, however you want to say that, it has these little flat back marble pieces, like little gemstones. Everything about them just makes me want to touch them and squeeze them. I used to want to chew them when I was a kid. Of course, that didn't feel very well given the fact that they are glass, but they fit so perfectly into an I Spy collection because there are marbles in every single I Spy page ever. So without further ado, let's make some soap. Okay, so let's get to crafting. Now, maybe I have done a design like this in the past. Maybe. It's possible. Listen, I can't remember all the soap designs I've made. I've made too many of them, but I can't remember doing one like this, so could be the first time. And basically what I'm going to do is I have these 6 accent colors, and I'm going to pour one of the top ones into one of the bottom ones. So we're going to have an in the pot swirl on our accent colors, and then we're going to drip those into our base. So flotation device, trial by fire, radioactive, blue tide. You guys have seen all these colors before. They're available from Mad Micas and from Nurture Soap and TKB. And then Early Sunrise is a new one from Nature's Garden, and it smells divine, and it soaps like a dream. It stays runny so long. I'm trying to remember what this color palette reminds me of. I tried to mix together like colors that you might see in a real marble. Like, I've seen orange and red marbles, I've seen green and yellow marbles, but looking at the palette from like this perspective, it's reminding me of something, but I can't quite place it. So help a sister out. What does this color remind you of? So as you can see, we're going to pour the blue into the black, and I'm not going to mix it. It's just going to be just like that. Red into the orange, and then we'll do yellow into the green. Not mixing anything up, just pouring straight in, and that will be swirly enough, trust me. Then I'm going to make one stripe of this blue black, and then on the other side, we'll do one stripe of the red orange, and then we'll put some of our white base, either down the middle, on the side. We're just going to use that white color to break up these colors as we go. Things start to get a little thick here, but it actually makes the soap look better and makes all the distinct color mixing just look all the more vibrant in the cutting. You'll see. It's hard to explain with words, but we'll start adding in more of that white and then start adding in the final bits of color. It doesn't really mix very well, and it actually ended up working in my favor. So I'm going to be keeping that in mind for a couple new designs that I've been making. Believe it or not, I actually have 3 soap collections already completely designed. So by the time you're seeing the I Spy collection, there are 3 more collections already ready to go right behind it. I am completely designed up all the way until June. So you guys are gonna love some of the ones I have coming down the pipe. The I Spy collection was really fun and it was really close to my heart, but I feel like some of the newer collections are going to be, I guess, more universally appreciated. Okay, so let's start our soap frosting. We're doing the 3-2-1 technique using my Royalty Soaps Soap Frosting Club kit, which of course we do have at royaltysoaps.com. If you want to learn how to make soap frosting like me, I'll give you my recipe and I'll give you lots of different goodies to help you make exactly what I'm making here, the same piping tips and couplers and little baggies that I'm using. And here is the prettiest blend. This is a 𝘉𝘰𝘵𝑚 blend with black stardust. Both of those things are from the Good Glitter. And now we're adding on our little marble embeds. They're so cute. So these are made using a mini soap gumball mold, and then Shelly poured 2-toned for every single one. So you can see all of them have 2 different colors in them, and the white just makes everything stand out. Okay guys, I'm ready. Look at this on the side. It looks like molten lava. I've already lined it up, so I'm just gonna push straight down. Let's take one out of the middle. What does it look like? The gasp I just gasped. Look at that! I'm at a loss for words. It does remind me of marbles. I knew I wasn't gonna do like completely symmetrical circles, but the pairing of the colors really worked out and nothing mixed. I'm so, I just look at it. Just look at it. It's so cool. I cannot wait to make a ton of these. I am gonna have to try this technique with like tons of other things because that was simple and effective. How cool are these samples going to be? If you get a sampler from this month, you might get samples that look like this. And every single bar looks different. Ugh. And putting that little bitty bit here on the top between these 2 whites is crazy. Wow. Okay, question of the day. Did you play marbles as a kid? With kids in your neighborhood, brothers or sisters, maybe a grandparent. I know lots of grandparents did marble collecting. If so, I'd love to hear your stories down below. I love, and I do mean love, a wholesome, chatty comment section for videos. I love scrolling down on videos and channels that I know have a lot of really wholesome viewers and just reading stories and tidbits that they share down there. We like to be a happy place and a bright light on the internet, so share me some wholesome marble stories. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you love this. I'm obsessed with the design. I'm gonna have to use this for more soaps in the future because it worked out way better than I thought it was going to. You can get this soap along with the rest of the I Spy collection on March 4th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, royaltysoaps.com. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like go play a game of marbles. Hey, marbles are really inexpensive and it's such a fun screen-free game to play with little ones or maybe with buddies. But you know, I don't really care what you do, just do something for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye for now.